Hello everybody, this is Pegasus Blader and I am doing packaging of random booster rock Capricorn. So, okay, this is from Amazon. Here's the package. See, stickers. This is my favorite too. I always played with these when I was a kid. Really? They gotta secure it this much. And like, nothing's gonna happen to the package. Hold on. Oops. Okay, I'll be right back because they obviously just made this complicated to open. Okay, and here it is. Okay, so like I said before, stickers, manual, booklet, card told me here's the rock wheel, spin track tool, and it came with a black tool. Here's the instruction booklet. For the other random booster Beyblades. Here's the track. I think it's EDS. Like Scythe Chronos spin track. Here's the face bolt. Here's the energy ring. Right, white energy ring. And here's the fusion wheel. Oh wow, it's a tip. And the fusion wheel, rock. And here's the tip. I'll put on the stickers later. But let's assemble the bay. So here's the bay fully assembled. So let's give it a test launch. Very good defense. And so yeah, this bay is a really decent bay. Like this fusion will be like very useful. Anyways, that was my unboxing. So hope you enjoy the video, like it and subscribe.